Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about HSBC Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you how to order checks for HSBC. So a check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account, and you use this to pay someone or a company. And the way it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will then be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. First, you're going to want to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and your routing number for HSBC on it. So once you have that, you're ready to get started, and you're going to want to open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever browser you usually use will work perfectly fine. As you can see, I'm already on the website, and you can see at the top of the screen, URL is us.hsbc.com. You can also check out the description for the link to HSBC Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log into your HSBC bank account online. So you're going to need to have a username and a password for this, and you're going to look for the login button, which is located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You're going to click on that, and then, there you go, sorry about that. Once you're there, it is going to bring you to this screen where you'll enter your username, hit continue, and then it'll prompt you to put in your password. If you don't have a password and a username, there's a link right here that says not registered that you can click on and then just follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, you're going to click on banking options and order checks. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way is going to be to call the customer service number for HSBC. You should be able to find this number on the back of your debit card, and you can also look for a Contact Us page on the HSBC website. But if you happen to know another way to find the customer service number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you're speaking with them. The third and final way to order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for HSBC Bank. So I have this tab up already, and I've already done the search for order replacement checks for HSBC. And what it brings up is a bunch of different websites that you can order your checks from. You've got Checks Unlimited, Bradford Exchange Checks. That one is a very popular one. Do be aware that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. And so if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for HSBC from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy, because you're going to need to have your exact HSBC bank account number and routing number available. Since you're not ordering it through the bank's website or through their customer service, you have to provide those numbers yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and make sure to check out the description for more information on HSBC Bank.